Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show how to use Google Docs. First, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already logged in. To create a new document, click on the blank document option. Now you can start typing anything you want. At the top, you will see different tools for editing your document. You can change the font style, font size, text color, and alignment. To make text bold, italic, or underlined, select the text and use the toolbar options. If you want to add pictures, click on Insert, then choose Image. Select a photo from your computer or Google Drive. Google Docs saves your work automatically, so you do not need to press Save manually. To share your document with others, click the Share button at the top right corner. Enter the email address of the person you want to share it with. You can allow them to view, comment, or edit the document. Then tap the Send button to send the docx file. If you want to download the file, click File, then Download. Choose the format you want, such as PDF or Microsoft Word. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Docs quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.